Welcome back, fellow investors, to the financial roller coaster ride of the century. Today, we're diving deep into the mystifying world of Amphenol Corporation. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with the PRTTM, or price-earnings ratio, shall we? At a staggering 38.99, it seems Amphenol isn't just turning heads, it's blowing minds. And hey, over the last 5 years, it's been rocking an average of 24.81. Talk about consistency. But wait, there's more. Check out that PRFWD, standing proud at 33.24. Forward-looking and fabulous, darling. However, both indicators suggest a possible overvaluation to its 5 years average. But if we introduce the growth expectation, we've got a price-to-earnings-to-growth ratio of 3.36, which indicates a potential overvaluation to its growth prospects. Remember that a value around 1 is when a stock can be considered undervalued. Now, let's talk insider ownership. A modest 0.54% might not sound like much, but hey, every little bit counts, right? Hold on to your hats, folks, because here come the ROEs, ROAs, and ROICs. With return of equity at 25.49%, return of assets at 12.69%, and return of invested capital at 19.25%, Amphenol isn't just making waves, it's making tidal waves in the financial ocean. Earning per share or EPS, anyone? How about a delicious $3.27 per share? And don't even get me started on the EPS growth over the next 5 years, a mouth-watering 11.6%. Now let's rewind the clock and take a stroll down memory lane, shall we? The evolution of earnings per share over the last 9 years has been nothing short of spectacular, with a compound annual growth rate of 11.95%. And let's not forget about that sweet free cash flow per share. With a growth rate of 14.85% over the last decade, Amphenol is practically printing money. But wait, there's more. Dividend yield, operating margin, profit margin, you name it, Amphenol's got it covered. With a dividend yield of 0.7% and a whopping 17.18% dividend growth over the last decade, it's raining dividends over at Amphenol HQ. Now let's continue with margins, shall we? With an operating margin of 20.89% and a profit margin of 15.87%, Amphenol are flexing their financial muscles. And don't even get me started on the evolution of revenue and earnings over the last 8 years. It's been a wild ride, folks, with Amphenol outperforming the market and leaving competitors in the dust. But hey, it's not all sunshine and rainbows in the land of Amphenol. With debt to EBITDA at 1.39 and debt to free cash flow at 1.95, there are a few bumps in the road. Both indicators suggest excellent financial health and management. And let's not forget about that average price return of the last 52 weeks, a jaw-dropping 69.06%. Talk about a wild ride on the stock market roller coaster. So, what's the verdict, you ask? Well, analysts predict a slight downside over the next 12 months, but I'm calling it like I see it. With a fair value of $109.31, Amphenol might just be flying a little too close to the sun. So there you have it, folks. The financial wizardry of Amphenol Corporation in all its glory. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just along for the ride, one thing's for sure, you won't want to miss out on this wild roller coaster of a stock. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing.